service provider EncDeck is new AES crypto service provider. Now we do straightforward stuff. EncDeck block size 128, and this relates to this one. EncDeck key size is equal to 256. EncDeck key, which is basically our key, so we'll do the same here but for key. Copy this for the IV and hit on EncDeck padding, which will be padding mode PKC7. And link to this whole stuff we're doing here will be in the description. I got it from Stack Overflow, and this tutorial already 17 minutes long, but it's just a long ass tutorial. EncDeck mode, shipper mode, CBC, iCrypto transform, iCrypt equals EncDeck dot create encryptor, because we're encrypting. EncDeck key, EncDeck IV, there we go. And now byte encrypted, iCrypt.transform final block, text bytes 0 and text bytes dot length. iCrypt dispose and return convert to base string enc. Now we can copy this whole thing or copy this whole thing, call it encrypted, call it decrypt, encrypted, and the only thing we change here is, here it's not enc but deck for decrypt, here it's deck, and we take, instead of an enc bytes, convert from base string encrypted, that's right. Therefore it's enc bytes here also, and I believe this is it. Alright, here ASCII encoding .ASCII .getString. So now we have this whole class which we can use from rec form. So if you go back to our rec form, we just need to use EncDeck, AES EncDeck encrypt. No, that's not. Oh, no. There we go. The class, right? Encrypt user.tag pass txt, and then right line enc user, right line enc pass, close the SV. And now we can show a message box which says user was successfully created, user.txt text, and we can close this afterwards. So this should be done. Now we go to form, which is the more interesting part, guess, because it's basically the same, really the same it is. We can copy this part to here, directory exists, data, let's have the dir from here. So if the directory doesn't exist, we give a message box show which says user was not found, else var sr our new well-known stream reader data.ls. Did I call it ls? I hope. Yeah, I did. String enc user is equal to sr.readline. String enc pass is equal to sr.readline. sr.close. String deck user equals AES_crypt.decrypt. Enc user, same for the deck pass, equals AES_crypt.decrypt. Enc pass if deck user is equal to dir, and deck pass is equal to pass txt message box that show not something that's successfully logged in, or welcome to private area. Oh, we could also use deck user, but it doesn't really matter. And if not, of course, message box dot show error user or password is wrong. Because you usually, to protect basically somebody's trying to hack into an account. It could be a random account and the user would not know, or the hacker would not know, that the account exists. So therefore, websites do it like user or password is wrong, because they don't want to tell you that the user exists. Because if you know the user exists, if you would find out that the user exists, you would definitely know it exists. But if you don't know, you can't be sure, and you won't always try again on the same user. So you try to find out the user plus find out a password. Therefore, you never tell that the password is wrong, but the user is right, but you make like user or password is wrong. So now it should be working. And I want to open the... It's my other one. Everything clear, yeah. Okay. We don't have a data, I'll just make a data just in case, since I probably forgot to make it. So we're trying to log in and it says user... What? It should display this. Okay, so... Yeah, I messed it up. Sorry, guys. User not found. Register. Yeah, okay. Register test. Test 1, 2, 3. Register user successfully created. Now I'm trying to log in with test 1, 2, 3. Log in. Error, user or password is wrong. Okay. It gets me to debug this whole thing. Oh my god. Okay, I have it. See, this was really retarded. Just forgot to change encryptor to decryptor. Okay, it still doesn't work though. Okay. Don't be such a pain in the ass. I guess I've typed something wrong. Yes, go ahead and to the end, please. Come on. Error password. Test 1, 2, 3. What? It's the same. Am I comparing it wrong? I guess. Yeah. Oh my god. I'm going full retard mode here. Now, please work. I'm really tired. That's also the case. Come on, start. Yes, please start. Come on. Test 1, 2, 3. Login. Yay! Come on. There it goes. There it goes. I don't know why this isn't working. I guess it should be working like that. Alright. Oh no, guess what? See, there we go. Oh, yeah. User test. I can't use that in the message box, that's right. So, I even found out this one. So, yeah. I thank you guys for watching. You can of course make it really fancy, like this one looking here. But it's up to you what you do. So yeah, I thank you guys for watching and peace out.